Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to problems with the power supply, battery, or even internal components like the motherboard. If left unresolved, it could result in further damage to your device, making repairs more complicated and costly. To address this issue, you will need a few tools: a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if necessary. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure you power off the device and disconnect it from any power source. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the Acer N19H2. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. It is usually secured with screws. Use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws, ensuring you keep them safe as you will need them later. When the battery is exposed, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it's best to replace it with a new one. To do this, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. When inserting the new battery, make sure the connectors align properly. After securing the battery in place with screws, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Now, check for any loose cables or components that may have come undone during disassembly. If everything looks good, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, power on your Acer N19H2 to ensure it starts up correctly. If the issue persists, there may be a deeper problem requiring professional assistance. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure your device is regularly maintained and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. Regularly check your battery health and replace it if you notice any signs of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.